Hello guys, you're welcome to Dwoco tutorial. This is Dr. Tom K. Alright, if this is your first time, okay, I will need you to click on the subscription bell and let's get started. Now quickly, I want to show you how you can earn from the Toark app, alright, or the Toark investment platform as it is. Now here is my referral code. Quickly you can click on it or you can scan this. Okay, the barcode there, right, and it's going to take you there. But I think preferably you just have to click the link I'm going to drop for you, or the link on my platform. Then you just click on that link, it take you straight to the platform, and then you can sign up as fast as you can. Don't waste time because your 3.43 USDT is waiting for you to grab. And immediately when you sign up, okay, quickly share your own link as well, and then you're going to start earning every minute, every second. All right, so quickly let me show you how you can get that. Hold on. Alright, so if you are in the Dwoco free creative class, alright, platform, if you are in there, or if you are in my Telegram platform, just click on this link, alright, you just tap it and it will take you straight, okay, to the platform where you can sign up. Alright, this is it. Alright, so you just go to sign up here, right? Make sure you don't change this, okay, just leave this way it is, so that for you to get a bonus, and then put your email address or your password, and you already click on register and you are good to go. Is that okay? Now that's how simple it is. I believe when you register, okay, they're going to send you your verification email verification message. Go to your inbox, click on it, and then get verified, and you are good to go and start earning. So quickly let me take you in there and show you how this works. All right, follow me. Alright, so after you have signed up, okay, the next thing to do is to sign in. I mean, when you sign in, you're going to have this message coming to you, right? Have it in mind, 10% bonus will be refunded, okay, starting from the first recharge of $10 US, okay, $10 will be given to you. Please contact the platform customer service to receive the first received bonus. If in case you didn't get it automatically, right? Please have it in mind that I am not a financial advisor. I'm only here to get the opportunity, and all of us opportunity for us to make money online. And of course, this is the best ways for us to make money online as fast as we can using crypto. All right, so quickly close this. All right, having done that, close this, and then it's going to take you in here. Now if you look down here, okay, there are about 5 columns that you really need to take a look at. This is the home. All right, we're in the home now. Okay, this is the home platform. You can see that. Okay, so right now here in this particular account, okay, there's nothing in here exactly, and then this way is your trending. If you want to know your trending, you're going to get that here. All right, and then this one, I'm going to come back to this. Then this one is for your bonus. Okay, just click on this and they're going to tell you the kind of bonus you have. Of course, you can as well share your link. Okay, these are you going to get your link. Just copy this or link, or you do this, or just click invite friends. Okay, and they can share it to any platform of your choice and start making money. Then here, just click on the wallet to know how much you have in the wallet right now. Okay, so this is where you're going to be getting your wallet, and if it's the minimum deposit you can use is what, 5 USDT. The method is what, USDT. Okay, and then I think what they use is what, Bitcoin. They actually use Bitcoin, so you can quickly pay instant payment and all of that for you to get your money down straight to here. And that's if you want to trade. Now this is the last part. This is the juicy part of it. All right, the juicy part of it is that, okay, you can actually trade and make a lot of money. You can see this is 42,250 USDT. Okay, and it's still counting. Also guys, you can actually come here to make money. Now you have to wait for the investment time. You wait for the investment time. The investment time is between 9 a.m. in the morning and 5 p.m. in the evening in Nigeria. For Nigerians, other countries can find theirs, okay, by going to the platform. Go to and join their platform. Okay, you're going to start. They will inform you of what to do part time. All right, so that's how guys are going to make money. So this is very simple. I'll need to quickly sign up now and start making your money. All right, God bless you. Please have it in mind that let me show you something. There is something I want to show you. All right, so before I round up, okay, click on the home, right, and then stroke down to the end. All right, get to the end here, and they're going to see their support platforms. Okay, I will need you to go join their platforms, okay, on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, or WhatsApp, Facebook, and of course Twitter, right, or X I should call it. So quickly do that, and then of course you can shut them up, and finally you can get the app here, all right, so that you can get things going for you. So guys, quickly go and sign up and start making your money on daily basis. Okay, 3.43 is waiting for you. See you some other time, right? Have a wonderful time over there. God bless you. Please ensure you sign up. All right.